Wow, Wally here. Guys, I am like a child at Christmas. Guys, a Red Branch Bushcraft exclusive. This, in this box, oh, I nearly dropped it. In this box, guys, is the Firebox Scout. The Kickstarter stove, okay? This is the Billy Pot Survival Kit. That's what I got, guys. Let's unbox it. Let's have a look at it. An exclusive for Red Branch Bushcraft, guys. I'm going to say that the first one in Ireland and probably the first one in the UK as well. Let's have a look. Stay tuned. Stay excited. I don't know what. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. I need a knife. I always have a knife. Don't worry. I got one. Okay. Let's do it. Guys, the Firebox Scout. I'm sorry, I'm excited. Free paper, that's handy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a little bit more substantial than I was expecting. Guys, this cost me $89 plus shipping. I'm going to say shipping was about $20, okay? So, first things is the Billy Pot. That's massive. That is massive. Okay. So I have a Billy Pot. The Scout stove itself. I have a couple of little skidooteners. These are going to be for going across the stove for burning different things on it. I'm just going to get rid of the plastic now. A little grill, which is probably more for going inside the Billy Pot. Okay. And another little, that's probably for holding some sort of alcohol stove, I think. Right. Oh my. What'll I open first? What'll I open? I'll open the pot first and then we'll get to the stove, the Scout stove, okay? The Firebox Scout. Guys, a very different video than usual, I know. Okay, and this is Zebra, guys. This is all made by Zebra, and everything has the steel clips, not the plastic clips that Zebra normally comes with. So we have a lid, a frying pan type lid. This is our right. Whoa. There's a lot of stuff in here, guys. This is our regular lid. A Trangia burner, guys. So this is your alcohol burner, your fuel burner. Two sporks. This is an alcohol fuel bottle, and there's two of these, guys. A very handy dandy, a very nice bag that holds everything in it. So everything packs away into this bag. Oh, and I got another wee bag. Two bags. Nice. Nice. A fire puck, guys. A fuel puck. Okay, easy light fire starter, standalone fuel. Okay, and guys, there's 4 of them. my god. Guys, a Coughlin's ferro rod. A sticker. We all love our stickers. And this stuff is the baddest bee fire fuses. The baddest bee fire fuses. Guys, that's a lot of stuff. 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 Like a lot of stuff. Right, let us have a look at the stove. Guys, this is going to be first impressions only, okay? I'll get it out tomorrow and we'll have a test with it. Now this is very different from the Firebox that you've seen me use lots and lots and lots on the channel. Congratulations and thank you for your purchase of the Firebox Scout emergency stove. Okay, and as always, guys, very nice little card, info card included with with how to use it and stuff like that. And you know, RTFM, guys, RTFM. I definitely don't RTFM. And this is it, and this is what it was all about. Here we go. Another little nice bag. Couple of little pegs, guys. And this is it. And that's it, guys. Check that out for a handy little thing. Okay. Now, what I am going to say is that a lot of these things, like the fire pucks and stuff, are designed that everything fits on the inside here, you know, so that you can pack this full of stuff for when you're bringing it places. I think that this sits in there so you can then turn your billy can into an oven. Okay, that is my assumption on that. From the limited knowledge I have of Firebox, guys, this is what I think that is for. And you see how well that would work. Okay, and then what you can do is, I wonder would that fit? No, it doesn't fit. So if you have a baking tray of some description, guys, you know, you can make buns and stuff like that. Okay, guys, I'm impressed with that. I am super impressed with that. That is very nice. Oh, it's hard to get that in. Guys, I am assuming that this fits perfectly down on the inside here, and if you put across some of these, I tell you what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to go have a play with this, guys. This is an incredible amount of stuff for 80 something dollars. My God, guys, and I think I'm going to upload this today. So, and I'll put the link down below. This stuff is still available right now. I highly recommend it, guys. This is, you know, the Firebox stuff is amazing quality, and this is no different. There's a lot of, you know, a lot of high-end gear in here, transient burners and stuff like that, guys. So I'm gonna have a play with this, and hopefully I'll get out in the woods tomorrow with it. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty.